Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Guys, welcome to freebie number 18th of December. So today's freebie is this one here, is a background of yellow, like soft yellow pastel with white daisies, and on the bottom here I have played with yellow and pink roses and lilies, because I think it works all so well together. I love the contrast or the small scale on the background with the pop of color and different sizes of this, you know, this floral embellishment on the top. Let me know what you would do with this freebie once you download it for free on my Facebook group. Let me know in the comments. I'm really interested to see. This page here has been designed from my very popular digital paper. It's called Sweet Daisies. You can find this on my website, and it's a large collection. You've got loads of papers. So it's a collection of background with daisies. It's all about daisies. So daisies is my favorite flower, and then the second is the lily, hence why I feature in today's freebie. So you get a little part of me. You've got, as I said, loads of different backgrounds with different scales of daisies. I love that. You get 4 different scale into background into one page. So these are fabulous if you do like cards, greetings cards or vintage cards, because you can layer them on top. Completely up to you guys. There's 4 more. You get a cube gift box where you put together, so you glue the tabs that you get little gift shop. Tags with this vintage inspired daisies. A gift box. This is a milk carton box. When you do it up, it looks like this. So you have your 4 sides, which are these, the base, and the 2 triangles here are basically this one here that you simply pinch on each side, and you can glue the tab here. But what I love to do is put a little peg so the person that received the gift box can reuse it. I love that idea. There is also a video on my Facebook group. I'll show you how to put this together. And then you've got a pillow box with some butterflies, more embellishment. It's literally tons and tons of papers, some tabs and some petals, so you can make your ribbon, and some more flowers. It's more, guys. It's more. Tabs, stamps and envelopes, and then some pockets if you do your journaling with some embellishment. Okay, so let me show you where to download this freebie on my Facebook group. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPads, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December you can use the code Advent, and I'll put here on the screen, Advent 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc, etc. I'm going to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.